Students, today we are going to study Computer of Grade 4th, Chapter number 3, the Operating System Windows 7. In the earlier class, you already studied about the Windows 7 operating system. We will revise few things. The first screen that appear on the monitor is called the desktop. Means whatever the first screen you see on the monitor when you switch on the computer, that screen is called desktop. The little graphics on the desktop are called icons. On the desktop you may see the small pictures with the labels. These small pictures are nothing but called icons. See the picture of desktop and the icons, start button and taskbar. Now, how to close and minimize and maximize the window. On the title bar of window at the top right corner, 3 buttons are available for closing, minimizing and maximizing the window. These are 3 buttons used for close the window, maximize the window and minimize the window. Next is more about the desktop. On computer desktop you may see the several icons like my computer, my documents and recycle bin. The desktop shows several program icons depending on how your computer has been set up. Using the My Computer icon, you can access all the stored information in your computer, or everything that is stored in your computer can be accessed from the computer icon. And see the window after clicking the My Computer, you are able to see the local disk drives and device with removable storage. From this you can access any storage files. Next is recycle bin. Recycle bin is your trash can. When you delete a file or folder, Windows put it in the recycle bin. So whenever you delete some files and folders, all are sent to the recycle bin. From recycle bin you can make the file permanently delete, or you can restore the deleted file and folder also. Next icon is documents. Go to the start and locate the documents. You can see it on the right pane. See, you can see the right pane in the start menu. Click on it. A window with several files and folders open. After opening the My Documents, you are able to see the files and folders are here, and notice that the document folder on this is the left pane. From this left pane you are able to see that document is selected. Next, file and folder. When any information on the computer any information saved on the computer, it is stored in the form of file. A folder on the computer is just like a paper folder. Next, Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program present in the accessories folder of your computer that helps you to view and manage files and folder. you can open Windows Explorer from the go to the start button, all program, then accessories, and click on the Windows Explorer. From that you can select the documents and you are able to manage and view all of your files and folders. So that's it for today, and you have to read the lesson from the page number 21, 22, 23 and 24. That's it for today. Thank you.